In this video, I want to show you the power of solar panels that can still charge even with snow on your panels. This is amazing, and I'll give you the links in the description for all the products I use in my solar setup. So enjoy the video. Okay, I'm getting snow video. Snow video here in Cold Spring, Texas. I can't believe it. I want to go snow in Cold Spring, Texas. Gotta see my solar panels. With snow on my solar panels. It's the last shot before it melts. Snow all out here. Snow on my solar panels and it's still charged. Can't believe it. Snow on my solar panels and they're still charged. Okay, I want to show the charge. Okay, let's go in the house and check out the charging of the solar system and see what's happening. Yeah. As you can see, the solar light is on, it's charging, and on the charge controller, and then I have my inverter, my batteries, 300 watts of solar power and 200 amp hours of battery, two batteries for a total of 400 amp hours. That's what my system consists of. Hey, this is my little off-grid cabin house. Got laptops, tablets, phones, and induction cookers, stovetop induction cookers, and an oven induction cooker. And I can cook with propane. Running all of this off solar and all the lights. And I'm going to show you how I added the 12-volt fuse block so I don't even need to turn the inverter on for the lights. And it saves you even more energy on your solar power. And this is amazing when you connect this to your solar system. So yes, you could run your whole house off solar and there's no need to connect to the grid anymore with this amazing technology. This is just what I'm working on the bathroom, and then outside the back porch that I'm working on. And still got to do some work to get this finished. The house is not finished, but it's coming along great. And I got some cool LED strip lights in there that run and just kind of decorate the whole place. So, you know, putting together something like this is real cheap. You can start off with a 20 by 24 foot house for like 6,000 or 32 foot house for about 10,000. And so yeah, it's easy to put this together, man, really easy. Now these are some of the 12-volt lights that I have in my little off-grid house, and of course you just run those straight to the 12-volt fuse block that I'm going to show you, and it runs straight to the battery. No need for an inverter to run your lights. And since the inverter is not on, of course you're saving power on your solar system, because the inverter, when it's on, it pulls a certain amount of current on your system, and each inverter out there is according how many watts, you know, it pulls more current. So yeah, you could run your whole house, your lights and all your charging devices for USB and your phone, straight off the 12-volt fuse block. No need to have your inverter on. And those lights, LED lights, are so energy efficient. This makes such a great, powerful addition to your solar system, man. It's amazing when you hook this up on what you're saving on the amount of energy. Like, I love this little 12-volt LED light. It's so cool. You can use one side or both. And my induction oven that cooks amazing food, air fry. You can do all this cool stuff with it. And I have an induction little stove top that all runs off solar because there's 75% less energy to run these appliances. It's amazing, man. And they cook better than the old stuff. Like I say, you can fry in it, air fry, bake, do everything you need to do just with that little oven right there. Okay, I just wanted to show you my USB hub that's running to all my motion sensor lights, and that runs off of 12 volts. It pulls a small amount of energy, and those lights can just come on when you go in the area. You don't have to, click anything on. It's all automatic, so that's cool.
Okay, Super Bowl 50. In my off-grid cabin house. And all of this is run off solar power, only solar. All the sun, nothing else, man. Oh yeah. And then when I go in the bathroom thing right here, woo, all these lights come on. Yeah. Super Bowl.
Snap, hand off to Coleman. Nice run, Tevin Coleman. Down near the 25.
12-volt lights. Let's check out the motion sensor lights that you need to get for your solar thing. Bam! That comes on and bam! Motion sensor. And then hit this remote right here. Boom! That's in your face. I don't want to get it too much in your face, but cutting this off with the remote control. You can have this little remote control thing right here. Cutting it on, cutting it off. Take this and brighten it, bring it down. Yeah, this is cool. Brighten it up, bring it down. This little remote control. These are motion sensors. And then I come back here, there's another motion sensor. So you can have these cool motion sensor lights running off 12-volt USB. This is all you need. Light up your whole house with motion sensor. LEDs, man. LEDs, motion sensor. You can do it. Light up your whole house. This is how you do it. Solar. 100% solar. Light up your whole house. Do it off a 12-volt fuse block. Get it going on. Save money. Control your own power. All off this block. The 12-volt fuse block. This is it. This is all you need. My charge controllers. My inverter.
Play by USB drive.
I'm scared to nothing to go home. I don't want to be in a situation to have to go home and say,
Look, eye candy, I just wanted to show y'all some water speakers and some LED strip lights running off the solar. And the fuse block, I will show you the links and the pictures to Amazon, all this stuff you can buy. But you can just simply run the positive and negative from your battery straight to the positive and negative on the fuse block. And then the fuse block has 12 ports that you can hook up lights, 12-volt lights, bulbs, or LED lights that they have, like for RVs. So many different kind of 12-volt LED lights, and you can decorate your house with the colored LED lights. So many combinations, and like I said, there's no need to turn on your inverter after that to light your house, or just the entertainment lights. You can have your outside of your house with the LED strip lights or the motion sensor lights, and I will show you all of those. I have the motion sensor lights hooked to USB hub, and most of the motion sensor lights have batteries in them that when you charge them up, they last for about a month sometime before you have to charge them up again. But I just leave them on the hub and they stay charged all the time because the USB hub pulls a small amount of current. So I will show you all of this in the description, the equipment you need to buy to hook your house up, and of course you can email me for more questions if you need help with this. Now my solar setup consists of two 150-watt solar panels for 300 watts of solar, and I have
Slowing intake.
two AMG Mighty Max batteries, 400 amp hours. They 200 amp hours each. And then I have one little small solar system that's 30 watts. That's all I have. I just wanted to show y'all this because it's a once in a lifetime event sometimes. Snowing in Texas. That's almost near the ocean. Shouldn't be snowing. This is crazy. It's wild, but it's cool just to see it for a little while. It's not that much. And then these cats came up to my house and bum rushed my house. I gave them a little food, and a bunch of them came from nowhere
They
and
all
just
bum
started
rush
eating
me.
on my porch, man. It's
Look at
cool.
it.
These cats are
And
just
they brought their
amazing
homeboys,
how they
and they
come.
all bum rush me
And
for
they
food.
will attack. But they'll bring
Look at
anything
that
at your
shit.
house, man. And drag in lizards, snakes, all of
They
that
came
stuff.
from
That's
nowhere,
what
man.
happens when you stay in the country,
Man,
man.
this
Cool
tiger
stuff, but
right here. Tiger right
can
here, he
only
under
stay for a
this.
certain amount of time, and I had to get back
He mad
to
cause them
the
all the motherfucking
Dominican
homeboys came.
Republic and Mexico and other places. Nicaragua got to. Country life for a
They bum
while,
rush me for the food,
but
man.
got to go.
Look at that. They chomping down.
Now check out some cool products in this video. Some of the high-tech stuff, water speakers, levitating globe, and USB tuner that I was watching the Super Bowl on my laptop, and some more products from our Hollywood 2000 store.
them before, but these are water speakers I'm going to show you, and then the floating globe, and then the TV tuner that you can plug into your computer, desktop, or laptop and receive free over-the-air channels in your area. You don't need a cable in the subscription. It's just all free. You just pull them in with an indoor antenna or outdoor antenna. And I'm going to show you some of our other products that we have on our Hollywood 2000 store. Check it out. Oh yeah, the water speakers, they shoot up blue LED lights of water that sync with the music. And it's beautiful. It can just go all the way up to your top of your wall or just give out a beautiful blue light. And it's amazing just to watch this. And the water speakers are Bluetooth speakers, so you can just point your phone at the speakers and pair your phone with those speakers and play music and audio from your phone directly to the speaker. Or add a Bluetooth or a USB stick in the back of it and play all your songs. So it's real cool. You don't need a computer, to play the speakers from all of your connected devices.
Now this is the levitating globe, a beautiful globe that just floats in the air. And it's a map of the whole world, and it gives off a beautiful LED light, and you could just watch it floating. This is amazing, man. This is a cool little thing that you can buy for a gift for somebody or keep it for yourself. And the digital tuners that you can connect to your computer, PC, or desktop and get free over-the-air channels in your area from an indoor antenna or outdoor antenna. Cool tech stuff, man. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and check out all the cool products in the description of our video. We're going to put all the links in there so you can buy these products on Amazon and use them for your own solar setup. And you can email me with more questions. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the notification for all the new videos that we upload in the future. Just hit that notification bell and you'll be set. And we really appreciate your support. So I will talk to y'all later. I'm out.
Hollywood2000.com.
Hollywood.
Hollywood 2000. Yeah.